Hello everyone. Let's continue to analyze questions in homework in computer architecture course. This series we think that will be really helpful for you to prepare yourself for the midterm exam the next week, because the questions are going to be similar. The questions here are going to be similar in your midterm exam paper. In the last tutorial, we analyzed programmable machines, okay? I hope it was pretty understandable for you, but if you have any kind of questions, just please ask in our forum, in our website. Link you're going to find under the description. So now let's continue to analyze the problems, and here we have problem number 3, LC-3 architecture. This is pretty easy. I'm not going to spend so much time here. You have kind of instructions. For example, let's start from here. This is the architecture of LC-3 machine, and the task is to fill the values of control signals. Which gates are going to be activated. Yeah, you're going to ask. You are asked just to answer which gates are activated when you perform some certain instructions. For example, if you load the value of PC program counter into the MAR memory address register, which gates are going to be activated? So let's see the architecture. That you're asked just to take this value of PC and put it here in MAR. Okay, so it goes from here PC, it comes here to what? Gate PC. Okay, so gate PC should be activated so that we can move on from here. Okay, so that's why I'm putting 1 to gate PC. If you put 1, that means this gate is activated. If you put 0, this gate is not activated. Okay, it's pretty easy. And this then, once this gate PC activated, it comes from here, it comes here, it's put here. But if you want to just take one value and put inside any kind of register or register, this is MAR, memory address register, you have to load it. So you have a special instruction called LDMAR, that means load MAR, that means put the value inside the register. So in order to put the value inside any register, you have to load it. So you have to activate this LDMAR, so that's why I'm putting 1 here. I'm loading the value inside this MAR. Okay, it's a pretty same, not pretty same, pretty easy, I want to say. So let me delete this one. Yeah, the next you have what? You just wanna, increment the value of PC. Incrementing the value of PC, so that means we have PC, but we're going to put new value inside this program counter. That means we're going to load the value into PC. So you have special operation called this one, LDPC. That means this is activated only when you put new value inside program counter. So this I'm putting here also 1. LDPC is 1, and the rest of the stuff, B and C, I think you have to try to do it yourself. It's pretty easy. You have to just know that if you want to put any value inside the register, you have to activate load operation. Okay, but if you want to just take it and move it to another place, and whenever you meet any kind of gate, for example, when we move the value of PC to the MAR register, in our way we met this gate, right? So in order to move on, you have to activate gate. Okay, so very first thing is to understand that if you want to put new value inside the register, just activate load operation. But if you see any kind of gate in your way, activate this gate. Okay, so I hope it was pretty understandable for you. In our next tutorial, we're going to analyze assembly language.